Here is another groundbreaking technology that revolutionized standardization and ease of working across industries. We are talking about electronic data interchange, or EDI. Before we learn this concept, imagine you are running a big retail store chain. Every time you need to order stock from your suppliers, and then your staff prepares purchase orders, sends them by fax or email, waits for confirmation, and then follows up with suppliers on mistakes. Sometimes the supplier misreads a number, delivers the wrong quantity, or the paperwork just gets delayed. This not only slows down operations, but also leads to frustrated customers. Now think, what if all these documents could move automatically from your system to your supplier system without any manual intervention? That's exactly where EDI, or electronic data interchange, comes into play. Now let's talk about what EDI is. In simple words, EDI is the computer-to-computer exchange of business documents in a standard electronic format between trading partners. It replaces traditional paper-based documents like purchase orders, invoices, shipping notices, or even customs forms with structured electronic versions. The idea of EDI first appeared back in the 1960s, when large companies in transportation and retail started to explore faster ways of sharing data. By the 1980s, with the growth of global trade and the introduction of standards, EDI became the backbone of business-to-business communication. When we talk about EDI, there are mainly two types. Our first type is direct EDI, or point-to-point communication, where two companies establish a secure and dedicated connection between their systems. This is like setting up a private road between two factories so that trucks move freely without traffic. Our next type is EDI via a value-added network, or VAN, where a third-party network acts like a post office for receiving, checking, and routing documents between partners. Nowadays, we also have web-based EDI, where even small companies can exchange documents through cloud platforms without heavy investments.